Si manager, si Madam Tita, pwede. Madam Tita, pwede. So witness the awarding. Picture.
Okay, before you award ng block of appreciation, we would like to read to you the citation. Tripartite sponsorship of the City Government of Bisbee, Barangay Barangay Council, St. Vincent de Paul Parish, award this plaque of recognition to Marcelino C. Pumoy for his sincere commitment to the people of Mangagoy, Bisbee City, through his presence in the celebration of the 21st Araw ng Mangagoy 2011 and the 59th Patronal Fiesta of Señor San Vicente de Paul Parish on July 18 to 19, 2011, given this 19th of July 2011.